Thank you, Cano, for that demonstration. We can see that in the movie, Enrique Iglesias has a guitar case just like this one. It measures 1.16 meters, and he uses it as a flamethrower. We assume that the tank of propane is located on this part, and by measuring the size, we know that the tank has approximately 2.37 gallons of propane. A usual flamethrower tank has 1.67 gallons. We know that the tube through which the propane comes out should be located in here, but we also know that from the movie there is no exterior flame. The flame must be coming from the inside, so we assume that the interior of the case must be made out of steel. Propane burns at 1480 degrees Celsius and steel melts at 1370 degrees Celsius. So the steel interior would start melting due to the heat dispersion, but also the tank would start heating up, causing the propane to explode, making this scene busted.
Nicolás, ¿qué pasa?
But you have a meeting with General Marquez, sir.
Jesus Christ, ¿qué está pasando?
We can see in the movie scene that Antonio Banderas uses a double-barrel shotgun, which exerts a force of 193.5 newtons, and the amount that is needed for a person to be blown up is of 14,604.8 newtons for making this person be blown up the way this person was in the movie scene. So this makes this scene be busted.
To destroy a rifle, we know that we need a force of 27,579 newtons. And for this, we estimated the weight of the bow, that is 2.26 kilograms, and the weight of the person, that is 77.11 kilograms. And then we focused on finding acceleration, and we estimated that the velocity needed for the bow to destroy the rifle is of 4 meters per second, and the distance of the bow from the rifle is 27 millimeters. Then we added the two weights and divided it by the area of the bow, and then that number we divided by the 27,579 newtons, and from that we got a number that is 622.55 meters per second square. So through our calculation, we know that it's impossible for the person to actually destroy the rifle, because he can only exert a certain amount of acceleration that is much less than the one that we already have. So this scene is bust! ¡Mamá! ¡Se metió tu peje lagarto!
So we know that the force to break a bone are 4,000 newtons. To break a shoe are 45 newtons. And the force that we need to break the concrete are 7,117,154.58. When we add that, we get the number 7,121,199.58, and that's the total force that we need to break everything. The total force that a human can exceed is only 6,376.5 newtons. So this scene is busted.